Watertown time.
Hi.
How beautiful this is. Oh, so pretty today. I've been looking for you, Pagoda. So pretty up here. Wow. It's turned into a rave.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Yeah. Wow.
Entering into Gubei Watertown.
We've arrived at our guest house. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. That's where we're staying. Really fun play structure in the room / bunk bed. Hi, Levi.
Hi.
And then this is where Timmy and I are sleeping. Hopping into a Didi. Watertown time.
Go, horsey.
Wow, that's beautiful. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, guys. So beautiful. Gonna have lunch here. Oh, you've made friends with the cat?
The kitten.
The kitten? Oh.
Put him on your lap, okay?
Can see. Are you holding the kitty? Such a beautiful day. Gosh. Time to eat. Simple lunch so that we have room in our bellies for street food.
Oh yeah. 谢谢。
不客气。We've already seen so much. We've had lunch and we still haven't found the ticket office. So we're actually not technically in the Watertown. I feel like we could just leave because we've seen so many pretty things already.
Yeah, I got so many great shots already.
Yep. So pretty today. Still looking for the ticket office. Oh, look at this beautiful courtyard. Totally empty. Watertown. Whoa, the Watertown is huge. Very busy. Kids are asking for a sweet treat. See what they have. Yummy. Enjoy, guys. How's the ice cream, guys?
Yeah, that's great.
It smells like bulgogi. It might be a little bit hot, okay? Careful. We found a quiet corner. Literally no one else here. Ha 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 ha.
These are the hanaboshi.
We are looking for the pagoda, and we think it is right on the other side of this courtyard and building. We found it! We've been looking for you, pagoda. Levi just spotted that you can see the Great Wall from here. Let's try to zoom in. There it is. Amazing. Beautiful. Phoebe's leading the way with her lantern. Thanks, Beatrice. Go find some dinner now, right?
Yeah.
So pretty up here. Wow. Say Gubei Watertown. 1, 2, 3.
Gubei Watertown.
Go for it, guys. Warm bread. It's pretty chilly out, huh? Hi, guys. Hi, dinner. What's up, baby? Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Dinner time. Yeah, that is so pretty. Trying to find our way back to the exit. On the street. Just adding to the board. Bibi, show us what you drew.
A human.
Where?
Here.
So cute.
I'm gonna draw music.
You're gonna draw some music notes? And then what is Levi drawing?
One leaf.
It's awesome. Do the great. Wow, look at what the woman who works at the guest house made for the kids. So nice of her. She said she made this dessert herself, and it looks beautiful, doesn't it, guys?
Oma,
treat.
when
Yes?
I grow up, I'm gonna own a hotel, and then I'm gonna make a treat for you.
Aww. Okay.
It's like a tea cookie.
Cool.
And I think there's a marshmallow on there for each of you. Good night.
Bye. I'm in the Great Wall.
Going to the Great Wall tomorrow.
I'm inside of the Great
Oh,
Wall.
you're inside of it. I guess the structure does kind of look like a part of the Great Wall.
Good night, Gubei.